getting rid of K-pop. K-pop's canceled for 2019. Just kidding. There's no more tea about Jenny. I would just like to say that I will now be posting every Saturday regularly. Things first, quick question. Does this guy look like Namjoon to you? Because the internet recently has gone wild thinking that this kid's Namjoon. And I just find it funny. Like, I look at this photo and I'm just like, homeboy wore his hair with a perm in it for years, so I wouldn't be surprised if he cornrowed his hair too. But I don't really think that's Namjoon. But it tickles me. That photo, it tickles me. Moving on, today I had no idea what I was gonna do, so this is quite the impromptu video. I will be recreating something like this makeup look that the fabulous, beautiful Miss Darcei did, and something in between these two looks by her. I want this eye look with the pink color, but I want the more nude lip. So let's commence this hot mess. Did y'all hear that? I don't know what the crap I'm doing. Did you hear that? No. You could probably infer that from looking at me. Apparently, a company was taking down a whole crap ton of K-pop videos. So like all the on and poppin' K-pop videos were being taken down for copyright issues. BTS's DNA, I think, was one of them. Blackpink's Doo 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 was one of them. YouTube, excuse me, where is my regularly scheduled K-pop video? Thank you. That's it. The videos were taken down and they were put back up. Wow, this is such an interesting story. I'm such a great storyteller. As you can imagine, you know K-pop fans, they probably lost their damn minds, was like emailing YouTube 20,000 times. But here's my thing with YouTube. Like, why do they allow anyone who has a YouTube channel to have so much authority over copyright claims? Anyone can do a copyright claim. This is like the third or fourth time that I've seen on YouTube where someone has had a problem with their video being taken down for a copyright claim by another YouTuber or someone, and it being wrongly taken down. The average Joe does not have the best knowledge of copyright law, because the average Joe isn't a lawyer. Before the video can be taken down, it should have to go through someone who actually is knowledgeable in copyright law and knows what the heck they're talking about before the video is just taken down. These are big music videos from huge entertainment companies. These companies know enough not to, you know, put content in their music video that they know is copyrighted without getting the rights to whatever music or sound that they're using, right? But somebody was trying to get rid of K-pop, y'all. They was tired of y'all. They was like, we tired of these K-pop stans. We getting rid of K-pop. K-pop's canceled for 2019. They said, K-pop's done. It's over. We're done with K-pop in 2019. No more K-pop. You guys already know I have to talk about it because it's what's on everyone's mind. TXT! So Bighit has officially announced their new boy group. Bangtan is no longer the only boy group in the company. There is another boy group coming your way. I keep on getting makeup in my hair. And they've come out with like their trailers, not trailers, like introduction videos. And they are here and they are ready to slay our existence, hopefully. And a lot of people are really anticipating them. I don't really have that much of an opinion about them because they haven't come out with any music yet for me to really evaluate. So there's not really much for me to say about them. They look cute, but that's about it. They're adorable. They're like super young though. They make me feel so old. Like I feel like an old lady. This is actually turning out kind of cute. Like, not even gonna lie. kind of cute. For some reason it reminds me of EXP, and that's definitely not the same thing. I always want to say TXT edition or text. I want to call them text. I don't know, when I first found out about TXT, I kind of felt like sad. BTS signed a 7-year contract, so they're not going anywhere anytime soon, but I still kind of felt sad. I'm like, they're not gonna be the babies of the company anymore. Jungkook is not gonna be the maknae. But either way, I'm excited to see what they have to show us, how they'll be different from BTS, how they'll be similar to BTS. I know a lot of people were getting like really pressed, like, don't compare TXT to BTS, but I feel like at this point in the game, it's pretty inevitable that literally any, jeez, my bangs look stupid, literally any K-pop group that comes after BTS is going to be compared to BTS. That's just what it is and where we're at this point in the K-pop game. So I feel like they're gonna be compared to them no matter what, and honestly sometimes comparing can be kind of helpful to understand maybe who or what they might be like, because at the end of the day they are trained by the same company as BTS, so I feel like it's inevitable that they will have some similarities. Yeah, so I'm excited for them. But this video is getting long, so I'm about to like turn this off, finish up my makeup, and talk about the last topic. So bye. Okay, so I left my last step, my favorite step for last, and my favorite topic for last too. I don't know actually if it's my favorite. Oh, actually it is my favorite. So my favorite topic is going to be BTS's webtoon, which I haven't actually read yet, but I am so excited, guys. I am so excited for this webtoon. So it's like an webtoon based on their MVs, because if you're a fan, you know that their MVs kind of follow a storyline. At least the HYY8 MVs and some of the Love Yourself MVs follow a storyline too. I don't really keep up with all the fan theories and stuff like that, but I'm hoping that this new webtoon will like kind of explain things and help me not be as confused. Oh, BTS is just like taking over. They have merch for everything. Soon in 10 years you'll be, you know, in your BTS home, driving your BTS Hyundai or Honda car, reading your BTS magazine, Time magazine, on your BTS LG ThinQ phone, reading your BTS webtoon, sitting on your BTS couch with your BT21 plushies and in your BT21 pajamas, and yeah, there's BTS everything. And I'm finished with this look. Did I do good by Miss Darcei? Did I have lipstick on my teeth? Yes! Oh my god. Without fail. I know that Miss Darcei and Pony have some beef, but I love this Pony Effects lipstick. But oh my gosh, without fail, it always leaves like lipstick on my teeth every time. I'm done. What y'all think? Anyway, let me stop being gross, and this is the end of the video. Like I said, quality content. That's what y'all signed up for when you subscribe. Tune in next week Saturday for more K-pop tea and other things, because I am planning other videos, but they'll be out later at a later date. So tune in next week. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments down below, show me some love, some engagement, some interaction. That's what matters these days in YouTube. Anyway, goodbye. I'll be back with better content, I promise. Subscribe, please.